How to connect Shopify to Klaviyo. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to integrate between Shopify and Klaviyo. It is going to be very simple and easy to do. You only need two different things. First, your Shopify store. Second, a Klaviyo account. That's all you need. So let's just go and get started. First, we're just going to do this from the perspective of Shopify, but I believe you can do the same thing from Klaviyo's side of things. So anyways, just log into your Shopify admin and go to the apps section. Click on apps, click on all recommended apps, and just click on Shopify App Store. I mean, I did already see it there, but if you don't, it's fine. Just go to your app store, look up Klaviyo. It's this one right here for me. I don't really need to search it up here from the top, but if you don't find it, just go to the top, search up Klaviyo, and you should be able to find it. So click on it and click on install once you actually find it. And it's just going to load in for us. Once that's done, just click on install one more time. And now the connection actually happens. So here it's just going to allow you to create your Klaviyo account to connect to Shopify. So this is by default, it's just going to allow you to sign up. But if you have an account, you simply just want to click on login instead. If you don't, just follow through with your email, password, company name, company website, and phone number. After that, just go and sign up to newsletters or demo, whatever you want, and just check you're not a robot and get started. I already have an account, so I'm just going to click on login. Now, once you do that, it should show you some of these settings: on-site tracking, track behavior events, sync data with Shopify. I'm just going to leave all of these on. Select a list. I'm just going to leave it as email list. Obviously, this is going to be completely up to you, and you can even create your own lists and add them in here. And I believe you can feel free to change it anytime later, so it's fine. And just make sure all these things are pretty much turned on, and you just want to click on connect to Shopify once you're happy with all of these settings. Okay, so now that this is done, we are pretty much good to go. We only need to enable the app embed from our Shopify store side of things. So let's just go back to Shopify. So from Shopify, what we want to do is just go back to apps and click on Klaviyo. Now we are going to do it this way, but obviously you can just go to online store and enable it from there. But we can just click on Klaviyo just so we don't miss any other steps as well. And once you click on it, it's just going to show you the option to turn on the app embed. So just click on turn on. It's going to take you back to your online store editor. And you simply just enable the app from here. Just make sure this is turned on and click on save from the top right corner. And this is all we need to do to connect our Shopify account to Klaviyo. We can even go back to confirm. Yeah, and as you can see, it's pretty much good to go. The app embed is now enabled and everything is good to go within the tracking and so on. Now here, you have within the sync settings from Shopify and to Shopify, and you have all of these options to play around with. But right now, you have the first step ready to go, which is the connection between Klaviyo and Shopify. It's that simple. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.